just come to a waterfall on an adventure, and we've just come up a really steep and tricky road to get to get here.
And what was the road like, Sophie?
Very, very bumpy with stones.
And it's called Khun Si viewpoint.
There you go. And this is what the road was like. We say road, there's no tarmac.
Now we're just on the walk down to the waterfall.
Oh,
hi doggy.
and there's a little dog. Sophie, what do you think's the waterfall?
Very good.
Oh, is that it?
Dog.
Look at this.
Daddy, you heard the dog.
Pardon?
He didn't.
Yeah, there's a little doggy there. But he's biting the thing. But look at that.
And you're up there, dog.
Oh, we're at a viewpoint and I'm hot.
And we finished the whole day going to the waterfall, and now we are eating our pizza, and there's a beach next to us and boats are coming,
And it's really nice pizza.
The end.
The end!